I made that with my phone for free. And by the end of this video, so easy. Something just happened on YouTube. And I'm genuinely shocked that most creators haven't talked about it yet. YouTube just quietly pushed a free AI video generation tool directly into their platform. No third-party app, no subscription, no watermark. It's called Veo 3, built by Google DeepMind. And right now, it's rolling out to creators in the US, UK, Canada, Australia, and New Zealand. Here's the thing nobody is telling you. There's a feature buried inside this tool. Most people are completely missing it, and it changes how you can grow a YouTube channel from scratch. I'll show you exactly what it is in just a few minutes. But first, let me show you what Veo 3 actually does, because it's unlike anything you've seen. Let me break this down simply. Veo 3 is Google DeepMind's most advanced AI video model. Before this, if you wanted to use it, you needed to pay for Google's AI Ultra plan. That's $250 a month. Now, YouTube has built a custom-free version directly into Shorts. You type a prompt. You get a video clip with sound. That last part, the sound, is what makes this completely different from every AI video tool that came before it. Runway, Kling, Pika, none of them generate native audio. Veo 3 does. Ambient sound, sound effects, atmosphere, all from a text prompt, all free. Think about what that means for a faceless YouTube channel. You don't just get visuals anymore. You get an atmosphere. A rainstorm that sounds like a rainstorm. A crowd that actually sounds like a crowd. That's the difference between a video that feels cheap and one that feels cinematic. And you're getting it for free right now in the YouTube app. Here's exactly where to find it. Open your YouTube app. Tap the Create button. See that sparkle icon in the top right corner? That's it. That's Veo 3. Now watch what happens when I type a prompt. Did you hear that? That's native audio, generated from the same text prompt as the video. No separate sound design. No manual audio work. One prompt. Video A&D sound. Done. Now let me show you something even more interesting. Veo 3 for Shorts is just the beginning. YouTube also just launched something called Edit with AI. Here's what it does. You dump your raw footage into the YouTube, create app uncut, unorganized, everything. And the AI watches all of it. Picks the best moments. Adds music. Adds transitions. And gives you a first draft video, automatically, for free. Think about what that means. The part of content creation that takes the most time, the editing, is now handled by AI that YouTube built inside YouTube for free. We're not in 2022 anymore. Okay. Earlier, I told you there's a feature most creators are completely missing. Here it is. VO3 inside YouTube Shorts doesn't just generate videos. It generates content that YouTube's own algorithm already trusts. Think about that. When you upload a video from a third-party AI tool Runway, Kling, Pika, YouTube treats it like any other upload. But when you create a short using VO3 inside YouTube's own app, you're using the platform's own creation tool. YouTube has every incentive to push content made with their tools. They built this. They want to prove it works. That means shorts made with VO3 are potentially going to get distribution advantages that outside tools simply won't get. We're at the very beginning of this window. The creators who figure this out right now in the next few weeks are the ones who are going to grow the fastest. And I'm going to show you exactly how to use this for your channel, step by step. Here's the exact workflow I'd use right now if I was starting a brand new YouTube channel today. Step 1, idea generation. Go to Qwen, which I covered in my last video, link in the description. Ask it, give me 10 YouTube Shorts ideas for the topic of an any. Each one should be a visual concept that can be shown without a human face. You get 10 ready-to-use concepts in 20 seconds. Step 2, visual generation. Take your best concept. Open YouTube Shorts. Tap the VO3 sparkle icon. Type your prompt, be specific. Include the mood, the setting, the movement, the sound you want. Generate 3 or 4 variations. Pick the best one. Step 3, text and caption. Add your hook text as an overlay. First 2 seconds must stop the scroll. Add auto captions inside the YouTube app. Publish. That's it. A complete YouTube short, visually cinematic, with native sound, with captions made entirely inside free tools, on your phone. Total time, under 30 minutes. And here's what makes this even more exciting. What's available right now is just the beginning. YouTube has already confirmed what's coming in the next few months. Add motion, take any still photo and animate it using movement from another video. Video stylization, apply visual effects like pop art, anime, or origami to your entire clip with one tap. Object insertion, add any object into a scene just by describing it in text. And something called speech to song, which takes spoken dialogue from any video and turns it into an actual music track using Google's Lyria 2 AI. All of this inside YouTube, free. The question isn't whether AI is going to change content creation, it already has. The question is, Are you going to use it, or are you going to watch other people use it? So here's what I want you to do right now. Don't bookmark this video. Open YouTube Shorts. Find the sparkle icon. Type one prompt. Just one. See what comes out. Then come back here and drop it in the comments. I want to see the first thing you made with VO3. If this video helped you understand something that actually matters for your channel, subscribe, because my next video is going to show you exactly how to build a full short strategy around this tool from 0 subscribers to your first 1,000 using only free AI. You don't want to miss that one. See you there.